How to create a fandom account. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can create a fandom account, so kindly watch this video to the end to learn how to do so. The first step is to open your web browser, and then in the search box just go ahead and type out www.fandom.com and click enter or search, whichever one. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the fandom accounts page automatically, where you'll see different movies that you could get on the site. And then by the left side of the screen you can also see other options like fandom, fan central, games, anime, etc. So as you can see this, the next step is to move to the top right corner, where you can see two options, namely sign in or register. Since you don't have an account, you'll be clicking on register. Okay, so after clicking on register, you can see the option join fandom today. Already have an account, sign in, and then you can decide to register with your email by filling in your email here, your username, your password, your birth date, or you could just decide to click on connect, move to the left side of the screen, and then click on connect with Google or Facebook or Twitch or Apple. For me, I selected sign in with Google. Then select Google account that you would like to use to sign in. Then after selecting the Google account, you will be asked to verify your account, and then you'll be asked to check your device where your Google account is located. So just go ahead and check it, and then click on the number that you can see there. So after selecting the number on your device, you will be redirected to another page. So on the page, click on continue, and then wait for it to load as well. So once it has loaded, the next thing that you have to do now is to input your username. All right, this is very, very essential. So just go ahead and type out a username, and then your date of birth. Just go ahead and type it out, and then you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on connect with Google and wait for it to load. Okay, select the Google account again. All right. Okay, so ensure you follow the instructions. Then select that again. So let's go through these processes. Right. So once that's loaded, you can see an account has been created just like that, and then you can now move to the left side of the screen to explore the Fandom app. And then by the time you move to the lower left corner, you can see a profile icon. So click on view profile to be assured of your account status, and then you can see your username. Then you are now assured that you have an account with Fandom. So you can now decide to edit your profile if you want, or do any other thing that you desire. So this is how it works, okay? Thanks for watching and have a good day.